looking great big gold ring.
Just a quick update. The connector arrived. For the 3030 for the back headphone socket. The only thing I did notice, which I've not seen before, they've actually dot marked the position down here, but that doesn't tie up with the slot, which is a little bit annoying, but there is an action plan on that. The other thing was I was finding it was really difficult to desolder the flex connector with a traditional soldering iron. Anyway, it's nice having friends because I've borrowed their hot air gun, which goes up to 400 degrees C, so I can melt all the pins in one go. Trying to do them individually and take them off is absolutely non-starter, just not working. So I've just, on my test, my old beat up bulkhead, I've just desoldered that, and when I do the one on the detector, I'm going to, when it goes in the connector goes in the slot, it's actually rotated by a few degrees because it's keyed on the side, so it has to go into the position in a particular way. So I'm going to have to rotate this ribbon cable by one little notch. So there will be a little kink in the ribbon cable as it turns through 15 degrees or so, whatever it is, whatever the angle is, to get this to go in correctly. But that's not a problem because it's not under tension and it's still nicely flexed, so there's plenty of movement there. So I'm currently waiting for some more solder flux. The one I had is run out, which if I bothered to check beforehand I would have known, but not to worry, that will come tomorrow, and then the plan of action is to do the job hopefully over the weekend, or if not Monday. So fingers crossed, keep you posted.